Hello, everyone. I'm Ashraf Ahmad from Egypt. I'm a QA compliance section head in biogeneric pharma. First of all, I would like to thank you all for this opportunity, for the training, for this cohort. It was really very successful and very beneficial. It was just to the point. It's easygoing, and I really got benefit out of it. So really, thank you for this cohort, and I am sure that everyone had the same opinion in that. And I'd also like to thank Autumn for her participation and coordination and everything. You really did a great job. Thank you so much. Last thing, I'd like to thank my colleagues in North Africa for preparing with me the presentation. Ala from Egypt, Omar from Egypt, and Isra from Sudan. Moving forward to the challenges we face in North Africa and the vaccine manufacturing. Well, I have spotted more than one in the presentation, but I'm not going to be talking about all of them, like the infrastructure limitations, the regulatory hurdles, the technical expertise, funding and investment, and political and economic stability. So I believe all of these are challenges that we are facing in North Africa and in the region itself, Africa, all of Africa. I will move forward to the political and economic stability because it's really affecting the vaccine manufacturing. And this instability, it can disrupt the supply of raw materials that needed for vaccine manufacturing, and it's going to affect the transportations and the logistics complications for the vaccine manufacturing. So as you can see, if I started talking about political and economic stability in the region, it's going to affect all other challenges that I mentioned in the presentation, because they are all interconnected together. So it's a very important issue. As we all know, the political problems that happening in Sudan and even Egypt, the political instability on the countries around Egypt is affecting the vaccine manufacturing in Egypt. So it's a very important challenge because it's contributing in delay in the vaccine production from starting of from the production till the distribution. It's affecting the whole process.